Hello friends, today I'm presenting a sub video. It is based on me. So let's watch together.
क्या कहना क्या चाह रहे हैं भैया आप?
Every day I wake up daily at 3:40 am, ready to take a new challenge and make the most of my morning. I start my morning ritual, which include brushing my teeth, washing my face, and other personal hygiene routine. I start my day with a nutritious breakfast, keeping it simple with fresh fruit like bananas and apple, boiled water, a quick 15-minute exercise routine. But I don't show in this video. Sorry for it. After these things, I dedicate my time to teaching valuable lessons to my students, inspiring their mind and shaping their future, fulfilling my professional responsibility, delivering qualities work with passion and dedication, supporting my parents, showing gratitude and care for those who have always been there for me.
Oh my God! Wow!
How is it, friends? Here is full video. I will upload one this year. If you watch this full video, then you can change your life totally. So मेरे पास इतना काम है कि मुझे अपने दोस्तों का बात करने का समय भी नहीं मिलता. मैं बस समय को बढ़ना चाहता हूँ. It is not possible, I know. Anyway, I appeal to the student mostly who are under the parents. Please focus at your study. Don't waste your time. आपके माता पिता ने आपको एक भविष्य देने के लिए बहुत मेहनत की. Don't forget it. So please stay tuned. I will upload sure this full video. And lastly, and I request to all my friends, to all my elder sister and everybody, please don't forget, please like, subscribe and share, and I will upload very interesting content also. I will upload sure. Anyway, I wish you all. Thank you all.